and in this video, as you could have seen from the title, I'm going to be doing my recent makeup tutorial. I've been doing this like every other day since the beginning of this year. I know today is probably like the 11th, yeah, but this is the look that I've been rocking, and I've actually gotten a request or 2 requests from my Snapchat to recreate the look of my channel, hence why I'm doing this video. I have my hair back. I put this scarf, ignore there's a tiny stain here. Yeah, I put this scarf on my hair just so that my hair is out of the way, and I'm just going to do the tutorial. It's very simple, just skin work, brows and lip gloss, finish. And this for people that probably have like busy lives and they don't have time to be contouring and highlighting. Yeah, so we're just going to get into that. So if you'd like to know more, definitely keep watching. Okay, so usually when I do this makeup, I just use this my small mirror, as you can see. So I'm just going to be using that throughout this video. And I brush my brows into place. My brows are a bit thin at the moment because I had them shapen from the wedding. And even if they've been growing back, they've not been growing back how I usually wear them. Yeah, so I'm just going to wait till they grow back fully. So I'm going to be using... You know what, I'm not going to talk. I'm going to just do the makeup and you guys will follow through, and I'll try and insert like what I'm doing in the caption or with pictures and all that. But so the first thing we're going to do obviously is my eyebrows, and it's the Hegai and ESTHER. I would have loved to do this in real time so that you see that it's actually very fast to do, but I'll still do it anyway. I'll just fast forward this video. So yeah, enough talking, let's just get right into the video.
àwọn gẹ̀lìkẹ́ mímọ́ lẹ́lẹ́dàá wa mọ̀rọ̀lúwa ó jókòó níbi gíga mo rí Olúwa tó jókòó níbi gíga.
Okay guys, so this really is the look. I absolutely love it. Oh, just moving my wig in place. I really like this look. It's my simple, natural look. I think it's ideal for work, for people that don't really have time, and yeah, you still want to look glam. And I get away with it without wearing earrings or anything. And I think it's very subtle and it's natural. And yeah, I like it. Yeah, so that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think about this look. And yeah, all the products that I used will be listed in the description box below. And yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free if you haven't. I love you guys. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.